Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and I have 18 pre-cut 5-inch squares. I have no pattern, but what I do know is I'm going to draw a line, sew them together, cut them apart, sew them together, and I'm just going to keep going until I get something that I like. I do have a little bit of extra white, so I can add a border on it, and let's see what I come up with. I do hope you join me. The first thing I'm going to do is match the 18 up into partners. One dark and one light together. Because these are 5-inch squares, my middle point will be 2.5. So I've drawn a line 2.5 inches down the center, going both ways. Normally, if we were sewing things together, we go from corner to corner. But this time, I'm going to sew on each side of one of those lines. So I'll have a 1/4 inch on one side and a 1/4 inch on the other. Now that they're stitched, I'm going to cut them apart. So now I have some long pieces. And I'm going to do that to all of them. I'm going to press those seams to the dark. I could match them back together, but I think I'm going to mix up the colors. Match up that center seam, darks and lights on opposite sides. I'm going to be able to finish drawing my line at 2.5 inches and stitch on each side of the line. Once that seam is done, I'm going to cut those apart. Now I have these little 4 patches, and I'm going to press those seams so they're going in a circular motion, which means that little center will look like a 4 patch. With those seams pressed, I can now square them up, and I'm going to square them up to a 4-inch block. And I happen to have a 4-inch ruler, which makes it easy. So I can trim all the way around, make them all 4 inches. Cut one side at a time and rotate a little mat so that I can do all 4 sides. This is a great time if you do have a rotating mat to use it. Now that I'm all trimmed, I need to make a decision. If I sew them together, I will be able to use 16 of them, 4 by 4. And I have 2 leftovers. Or should I put a white block in between? Putting the white block in between is definitely going to make it bigger. And because I get to make this a little bit bigger, I will be adding these white 4-inch blocks in between all of the other blocks. So I need to cut some 4-inch blocks. I've put my 2 blocks together. I've kept the light in the one corner, and that's throughout the pile. Now I'm going to take this pile, divide it in half, and sew to be a big 4 patch. Press the seams going in opposite direction, so you'll have that little 4 patch again. I now have 9 of these units, and I'm going to sew them together, 3 in a row and 3 rows. Now that all these blocks are together, I do think I'm going to add a nice big border. Because I've been using a 4-inch measurement throughout, I'm going to continue and put a big 4-inch border in all the way around. With the 4-inch borders, we now have a 28.5-inch little quilt top. There's a lot of fun in just trying to sew some blocks together and see what you end up having. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.